April is Education Month. Here's a message from the Commissioner of Education, Ms. Kalmar Richards.
The Department of Education staff and I are executing the aspirational strategies embedded in Plan 2022, Bermuda's strategic plan for public education. We have commenced the research and foundational work for many of the adaptive, or what we would call transformational strategies, and some of the technical strategies have already been completed. The operational actions required to execute the strategies for Plan 2022 will result in transformational practices at the Department of Education, in our schools and classrooms, and most importantly, an improvement in student and system outcomes. To effect change and transform the Bermuda public school system into one which meets the demands of parents and Bermuda, as we move forward, we will align what we do with international best practices. We will put mechanisms in place to increase rigor and student engagement, implement programs to ensure college, career, and workforce readiness, and expand the skills of teachers and the leadership capacity of school and system leaders. We will improve student supports using a multi-tiered system of support framework, improve infrastructure and resources, and establish systems which will be used to undergird the work that will be carried out. Those systems will involve the creation of policies, accountability processes, and support structures from the preschool to the senior levels. We know that a correlation exists between system leadership and system success, between school leadership and school success, and teacher practice and student success. As teachers expand their use of instructional best practices, as students engage in more rigorous and culturally relevant learning experiences, and as leaders and staff engage in ongoing professional development aligned with 21st century best practices, we expect our schools and our classrooms to become more dynamic learning communities, producing an improvement in outcomes. We are in the process of moving the Bermuda public school system from the status quo, as most know it, to a transformed system that will achieve its vision of educating students to lead personally and professionally, and to compete locally and globally. It will take time, focus, determination, and dedicated efforts to transform the Bermuda public school system, but it can be achieved. We will need the help of all stakeholders to transform the system into one that empowers all children to maximize their learning potential. We need the support of parents, all educators and staff in the Bermuda public school system, other government agencies, businesses, and the community at large as we work to create a school system that better prepares and equips our children to experience success in their futures.